I got something. Got ya. Okay. On the way up. Sometimes you need to do a little four-wheeling to get the real good spots. Where all the fish are. So they're biting every cast. You gotta go deep. All right, think we are here. Oh, we good? Oh, I think it's time to catch some fish. Let's get on this lake. Go throw some top on it. Oh man, these fish want to bite so bad. I can already tell. They just can't wait to bite something. I can feel it. We're out here on the river today, getting ready to pull in some numbers. Absolutely no wind right now. It's supposed to be extremely hot today. I think like 113. I think we'll hide over here in the shade. Hopefully that's where all the fish are hiding, in the shade. It's gonna be good. One of the first lures I want to try today is this topwater guy. You see that? Got that guy from China. Nice little hot water, or top water, little crawler. Action looks good. Oh, it looks so nice in the water. Just crawling around. Now I know it's a little, we don't got the super early morning bite, but we got the oh, I got a hit and I looked away at it too. All right, all right. I got something. I got something. I got something finally. Stay on. There we go. Come on. Stay on. There we go. Don't shake it. Yeah, you got a couple in you. Whew. And you shook it. Oh, jeez. All right, you're not getting out of the spidey for no reason. All right. There we go. There we go. There's a couple pounder. Oh, well, pound and a half. Out in the middle. A little deep. Is that the secret? At least I can see the rocks, so I could kind of see where the deep water starts. Got ya. Oh, oh, nice. There we go. Ooh, fighter. This one seems a little bigger. You seem a little. Definitely fatter. You definitely a little fatter. That's a nice guy right there. Hell yeah. All right. Thought I was gonna be skunked out in a lake that I never get skunked in, or a river that I never. It's almost like going out to the Salt River and not catching anything. I feel you just pass out right in the middle. Okay. Oh man, got it. Chill, chill. A wacky rig right in the middle. Chill, chill, chill. Dude, chill. They get so much energy. We were so close to getting the hook off of you. And another tiny guy. On the way up. On the way up. Whew. Come on. Thanks for that. Ah, darn it. Past the barb too. Jeez. That was not a nice fish. Ugh. Ooh. Woo. That hurt. Past the barb and everything. Oh man. Woo. That did not feel good. Well, fish got its revenge. See if anything happens. Oh, there we go. There we go. That is big. Hopefully this one doesn't decide to let the hook jab me in the hand. It's so rude last time. I almost lost my pull on you and you weren't even that big. But it's another one. I'm going through worms really fast though. If I catch one for every one that's on here. That was pretty solid. My casting has been ferocious lately. Ah, there we go. I knew I felt something. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Little pull in this one. So we got a fighter. We got a runner. We got a track star. Ooh. A little bit bigger. Oh, that might be a couple pounder right there. Huh. It's probably the biggest, heaviest one of the day. Not gonna weigh it though. It's not gonna break any records for me. Poor worm. Oh yeah, that should still work. I think there's more than one over there. I think the heat too, they kind of group up. Yeah, a little farther. There we go. Thought that one came on the way up. Felt that one on the way up. Ooh, ooh, he's still fine. There we go. Oh, I felt the nibble. Oh, little guy. There we go. Oh, geez, they stick your finger in and you just don't want to deal with them anymore. Ooh. Yeah, a little windy, huh? Man, it just looks like Wacky Wig's the way to go today. Just it's what I've been killing them all on. I had that two in the beginning on a jerk bait, but other than that, this Wacky worm has just been smashing them. Maybe they're just moving a little slower when they're dealing with that 100-degree weather. I'd still love to pull out like a fatty though. Maybe had one that was a couple pounds. Still waiting for that fatty though. Got a nice wood wind going though, so I mean it doesn't feel like it's 110. It definitely is 110, but it doesn't feel like it. Maybe it feels like 105. Oh, the anchor broke free again. All right. Jeez. Christ. All right. You can't get into anything. You suck as an anchor. I get it. All right. This should put it right in front of the damn fish's face. Look how fast. That's crazy. Let's see here. Oh, did we got one? No, we got someone else's line. That we had. Damn it. Yeah, a little annoyed. I guess that's really the only way for me to get it, is go on the other side. We got it. Oops. All right. Chill, we gotta paddle. Chill, chill, chill. This is aggressive. Very aggressive. Not bad though. It's nice to know that spot I kept aiming for constantly like did something. All right, I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do the last 10 times. And I'm leaving. I'm out of here. It was a great day. It's super hot. I'm like an hour and a half away from home. So, need to get my ass there. I caught some fish, didn't feel like a waste. Ugh. Oh, and I'm like 8 feet away from the car. Y'all take it easy. Have a great day.